Alright, so section 1.4, number 58, we're asked to find the function values and plot the function by hand. So what I want to do is I want to create a little chart of function values, x's and y's. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I am going to use my calculator for some of these. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to calculate some numbers like negative 1, 0, 1, and 2, 3, 4, and so on, right? So negative 1. Negative 1 is in the range of x is less than or equal to 2, so we'd plug it into there, and we would get negative 1 comes out to be negative 3. When x equals 0, we're still in the x less than 2 mode, so we would plug that in, and we would get out that comes out to be 0. When x is 1, we're still in the x less than 2 mode, we'd plug that in, we would get 1. When x is 2, right, we are at the boundary of our limit here, right? So when we plug that in, we're also going to get 0. And if we tried putting in 3, now we're in the x greater than 2 realm. So square root of 3 minus 2 comes out to be 1. And if we plugged in 4, we would get square root of 2. And then we would be off behaving like a square root. Okay, so let's see if we can stick some points on here and plot this thing. Okay. Alright, so the points, minus 1, minus 3, 0, 0, 2, 1, 1, 2, 0, right? And that's kind of our parabolic behavior. So this piece is going to act something like that, going down. Right, above this, we're at 3 is up at 1, 4 is up at the square root of 2 is about 1.4. Okay, and if we went on, 6 would be 6 minus 2 is 4, square root of 4 is 2. So if we went out to 6, we would be up here, and we would have our square root behavior, essentially our parabola turned on its side. And so that's going to be my attempt at drawing this thing